Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows license will expire soon in Windows 11 or 10. The first thing that you'll need to do is go to the search bar and then go to your services here and locate the Windows license management properties. Okay, that's right. And then you'll have to stop this one. Okay, and set this to automatic. That's right. And then click on apply and then click on OK. Okay. Then we have to exit this one now and go to your search bar again and then type out CMD and then click on the run as administrator. Okay. And then click on yes. So here you have to type out SLMGR space dash rare M. Okay, so you will have to type out that one in here and then click on enter. And then just wait for a few seconds and then command completed successfully. So just click on OK and then exit this one and then restart your PC or laptop. Okay, and that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.